find, stop, take the screwdriver away, you might find that you can just, oh no, it's not out yet.
Why does it here?
What the hell is that doing on there?
How do it?
Yeah. You have to push down on it a little bit, okay? I think that screw's ready to come out. So if you take the screwdriver off, you can pick it up with your fingers. Just right in there. Okay, next one. There's more than that. Oh, there's one there, one there, one there.
They're all the same way?
Yep.
When you do the other one, the other Tylee.
Well, he's not here yet.
No, that one. Why need that one?
You need to push down on it, okay, and turn it.
I think it's time.
Those some big screws, aren't they?
I think we're ready to come out.
No, it's not yet. Go on, keep going. Now it's ready. See how it falls over a bit? There you go. Okay, right in there. And the next one.
I don't do the big one.
Oh, that one. Yeah, they've all got to come out. Oh, mate, you're not pushing.
Away.
Hey, that one's only a little one. Throw him in there. Okay, and that one.
Is that the last one?
That's the last one for the board, yeah. Then we can take the ball out. Let's push. Still need to push. I think that one's ready to go. Oh,
Nope. Do it? No.
Nothing? Yep, yeah, he is. Okay, let Grandad help with this bit because these plugs are a cow.
What bit?
That's alright, don't matter. Right.
Why need this bit? When is the front or the Tylee? I'm not fixing Tylee.
No, we're not fixing him.
We're booking him.
No, we're taking him apart so we can use the parts for any future Charlies we get. See, and that's the board. That's Charlie's brain. Uh-oh! Okay, more screws.
More booze.
Right, we got one there. There that.
Tell me when you're done.
Hang on, this one's a bit of a moo. There you go. Let's get the spring out of the way. There, try now. Hang on, we're not on the screw. Hold on the screw. There you go, go on. I think he's done. Yeah, he's done. maybe not. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. The other way, the other way. Yeah, now he's done. But he's holding on for dear life. Right, let's get another screw out. That one there. Oh, he fell off, didn't he? Yep, go on. It feels like he's out. And the last one for this wheel. I can't see it. There we go. There we go. That one there. Oh, I think it's come off. Yeah. I think it came off again. Doesn't seem to want to come out. Let's have a look.
That's easy. That I do my down without you doing it.
Okay, that one feels like it's ready to pop.
Let's see.
Okay, now we do that one.
I'll tell you when I do.
No, it's not off yet.
In what fast side you let go?
You do that one. Yeah, I think that one's ready to rumble. Where's his other one? There he is.
Not waiting one ball. Not yet, not yet, not yet. I'll tell you when.
Alright.
I think it went. Oh, when did you one ball?
Okay. Leave him in, it's fine.
It is all
this
out
one.
now.
That's his last one.
Last one. They let go.
Now this is the awkward one, so that's why I'm keeping hold of it for a minute. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Woo! He's done! That's it. Bung him in there.
There's a metal bit.
Yeah,
These
just-
wires.
Now, let's do this one next.
There's a one.
Really? I can't see what I'm doing if you sat there. Go on. Oh, go on in. Turn.
You waited one ball.
Ready to rumble. Okay. Next one. Okay, that one's ready. And the last one. Oh, I think he's come off. You might have to stand up, mate, 'cause you need to put some downward force on it. Stand up, you lazy turnip.
Why?
Come on. That's it. In there. Okay, see that switch?
Yeah.
Lift it up. Put it in the box.
Need that switch.
There's a switch on the other side, look. Okay.
You're not expecting. Oh, this one, what we do?
Okay, that's that one done. And this one?
When it out.
You won't pick him up because he's an awkward monkey. Try this one.
Do you want to do? Do you want to monkey toe?
That's that one done. One more. Yeah.
One.
No, it's not done yet.
Last one.
Keep going.
4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Done.
Yeah, you might be. There you go. Check it out then. Oh, no, that one's not quite done. Come on. Put him in the box. Okay. This screw here. We're nearly done.
Last one.
No, not the last one. Second to last one.
Second.
Yep, that's him done.
Jodie, not one bull monkey.
The other way. The other way. There you go. Not yet. Keep going. There you go. Okay, right.
Hit it.
Oh, look, he's got screws on the back as well. Look, just there.
Oh.
The other way.
I think we need one ball. Yes, it is.
And this one.
This last one.
Maybe. We'll have to see, because there's a wheel there. Look, that needs to come out as well.
Not coming out.
Yeah, we'll deal with this first, and then we'll find out how that comes out.
Haven't we?
Ta-da!
Now we have to find out. It should come out.
Right. He's still stuck. I don't know how he comes out, that one. See these here?
Yeah.
These are screws. That's it. Okay, next.
Is the monkeys?
Yeah, they're monkeys.
I want to see.
Keep going.
I want to see.
Oh, that one, look.
See, they're not monkeys. Oh.
Last one. And then hopefully this part will come out.
Yeah. Done.
Let's have a look.
Now it comes out.
Maybe.
Finally.
Oh, maybe not.
Huh?
What else has got hold of it?
What
Oh,
else?
got those three screws, that 2 screws. Those 2 screws. Nothing else should have hold of it. Oh, there it goes. It was held together by a bit of mudge. In there. Okay. Right, these ones, these kind of pop out. They don't need a screwdriver. So how are they
Roll the wheel.
soldered on?
Audio Jungle.